It can be really frustrating when you settle in to watch some TV, but your screen doesn't turn on. But before you go out and purchase a new TV, you might be able to fix it. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix your smart TV if it won't turn on and you have a black screen. I'm going to show you a few easy methods that may fix your problem and get you back up and running again. Now, the first one is to change the batteries on your remote control. A fresh set of batteries might be all that you need to power your TV on. So go ahead and give this a try. The second method is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet for 60 seconds. Now, don't be impatient here. Wait the whole 60 seconds. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with a remote control, so make sure you do it this way. The next method would be to unplug your TV again and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. I'm talking about the TV itself. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, and it'll drain any power in your device. Then plug it back in and try turning it on again. If this worked, then great. If not, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. The next method would be to plug the TV into a different wall outlet. Not the one that you have it plugged in now, maybe into a different room even. You might have a particular wall outlet that went bad, and doing this will make sure that you're getting the correct power source to your TV. The last thing to try would be to check all the cables that are plugged into your TV. Make sure they are all the way plugged in. Sometimes a power cable can get loose and not give your TV the connection that it needs to power on. Now, if that doesn't work, well, then you might have to buy a new TV. Sometimes it's better just to buy a new TV than to get one repaired because of how TVs have come down in price these past few years. So I'll put a few links in the description down below of some recommended TVs. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully it was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.